TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now up 115. You got the Nasdaq up 42. S&Ps are up 15. Gold contracts trading up $2.80 at 1,237. You have silver down a penny at 14.88. Platinum is flat at 9.34. We have light sweet crude off 24 cents trading at 33.51. The bonds are telling the story, folks. Okay, we have the 10-year note down 6 ticks, 130.10. The 30-year bond off 11 ticks, 164.06. What you have is this, is that bonds overnight sold off all night long, got a little pop at 7:30 to 8:30 in the morning, just sold off again. With the bonds selling off, you're going to see this market go topside once again. King Dollar's up 261 ticks at 98.48. The euro is at 108. And the yen is trading at 113. If we come over to the SPY and we take a look at the SPY and the E-minis, what you're going to see is this, is that you try to take out the high. The swing high we're talking about now is February 1st. That swing high is 194.58. We tried to take that out last Thursday. Way too much lighter volume. It backs down yesterday on what? On dramatically lighter volume. This is going after that swing high again, once again. We have the price going. It looks to me like you're going to get the volume going today, too. What does that set up? The SPY, folks, is at that 195. This thing wants to run up to that 199.53. If you take a look at the E-minis and see the acceleration out of the gate out here today, it's pretty substantial. The E-minis have traded from 1920. We're at 1948 right now. If you take a look at that intraday, what they're doing right now is that they're taking over the swing point that was established at 0640 this morning. I expect you're going to see these E-minis run up to the 1952 area. These babies can make it up to the 1968 today, which would be a mind blower. That would be some big movement. That'd be 40 points movement. Now, let's go over to the bonds, because the bonds are the ones that were actually giving away the information. Bond market last night, if we take a look at the 10-year first, what you have is this. The 10-year sold off all night long, you know, and what you have, folks, is not that it's a huge liquid market, but it's liquid enough. The spreads stay pretty clean. That being said, what we did is we had sold off from 131.07 down to the 130.25 area. That was building cause to get to lower price. Then what happens? It does a counter trend bounce up to 930, and now what they're doing, they're smoking them, and they're smoking them with volume right now. I expect this 10-year is going to go right after the 130.20 area. We break that, and you're going to see quite a breakdown in that bond market, which totally makes sense because the correlation is bonds lower, market higher. King Dollar, we take a look at King Dollar. We have out here with King Dollar. It's King Dollar right now. It's trading up 276 ticks. You're at 98.49. Now, the King Dollar move doesn't have the juice behind it. We're going into 60,000 contracts. So, bottom line, it's going higher. And, you know, you go higher, you can continue to go higher. You know, we'll see if, in fact, if it gets up to the top of that range, the top of that range is about another point higher. Oil, what do we have with oil? Highly volatile out here this morning with oil. What oil has done is this. Oil got down to where it was a spike yesterday in the marketplace. It's rejected that level, and what I expect you're going to see here, and this is going to twist the market in a big way also, is that oil contract wants to run right back topside, running into the 34.50, the 35, the 36 mark. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking it right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.